What's up, guys? Christian Krasuski with CK Strength. We're talking about machine identification. Let's get started. Guys, first up, we've got the Smith machine. So this machine simulates a barbell on a track. It is a great machine for doing machine squats, machine bench presses, RDLs, stuff like that. It's really stable and a great bodybuilding movement. It is not a great replacement for the barbell if you're looking to get stronger and do free weight lifts. If you're a beginner, don't try to do squats and bench on the Smith machine. When you're using the Smith machine, you'll unrack it like a normal barbell, but you'll rotate the bar backward to clear the bar of the safety hooks. Be sure to apply backward pressure on the handle the entire time you perform a rep so you don't accidentally rack the bar halfway down. We also have leg press, which is plate loaded and moves along a track. I want the seat to be all the way down in the bottom position if you're using this movement to train your legs, specifically your quads. In the leg press, you'll be sitting or lying face up with your legs extended above you in this horizontal fashion. The sled of the leg press will descend down and you'll push it up off of you. We also have the hack squat, which is also a machine variation that trains your legs. Unlike the leg press, the weight will be loaded at your shoulders and your entire body is going to follow the track down and up in a diagonal squatting pattern. Next up, we got a couple of unconventional leg machines. So in this example, we have the lever squat. This machine, you're going to load at your shoulders, stand it on up. You'll clear the safety lever on the right of the machine and simply step up onto the platform and descend into your usual squat. Over here, another uncommon leg machine you'll see is the belt squat. This machine is cool because you can wrap the belt around your waist and load the weight at your hips, which never really loads your back or spine. In this movement, you want to make sure that you're generally balanced around that balance point of the cord at the bottom of the machine. Make sure you pull the safeties back and you'll be good to go. And this is the Seated Hamstring Curl. Make sure your knee lines up with the joint of the machine. Lock in for security, and you're gonna go ahead and just curl your legs forcefully down toward the machine. Pursue a full range of motion, extending all the way up. Kick hard, all the way down to your calves touch the machine. Okay. We've also got another variation of this, the lying hamstring curl. In the lying hamstring curl, make sure the joint of the machine lines up with your knee and be sure that the ankle pad lines up with the end of your ankle. From there, you'll simply perform your normal full range of motion hamstring curl. All the way down, all the way up. Next up, we got the leg extension. This is an isolation for the quads. Make sure your knee is lined up with the lever of the machine so you can extend your knee efficiently. Hold on to the handles, lock your knees out carefully, pursue a full range of motion all the way down each time. And this is the seated calf raise. These are oftentimes plate loaded. What you want to focus on here when you're doing your seated calf raises, make sure the knee pad is set up at a height that you can actually unrack the machine. I'm going to go ahead and pull the safety pin out of the way. I'm going to use a full range of motion all the way down into a deep stretch and come all the way up. You want to make sure your entire body moves with the lever of the machine so that you aren't just using your body to push forward and back and cheat the movement. And this is the standing calf raise machine. Set the shoulder pad up so that you can just unrack the weight on the way up. You want to make sure you put your foot right across the middle of the foot plate at the bottom. These are oftentimes selectorized, pin loaded. So be sure to choose a weight that you can go all the way down, all the way up through the range of motion with. Emphasize a big stretch at the bottom. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell for notifications. And remember, if you want to make progress, then you've got to make progress. CK Strength, I'll see you guys later.